How to extract private key from Coinomi wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to extract private key from Coinomi wallet. Now, due to some security concern, I'm unable to show you the steps, so I'm just gonna instruct you. So first of all, you just have to go and log into your Coinomi account. And when you type in coinomi.com, it's going to take you to the official page, and from there you could go and press the login button, enter your credential and log into your account. When you're logged in, then from the home page, select the coin you from the coin drop down list, scroll down to the device addresses section, find your address and copy the private key that corresponds to it. And if you're on your mobile device, you'll need to scroll all the way to the right to see the correspondent private key. Now do the same procedure for the rest of the other assets. By following this step, you should be able to extract private key from Coinomi wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.